afternoon, everyone. I am Dion Alexander F. Garcia, and today we are doing an activity wherein we are uh, printing Hello World in C++ Turbo. So first off, of course, you have to open your C++ application, and then after you open the C++ application, this will open. So this is the C++ Turbo. So you press Start Turbo C++, and then after you press that, this app or application will pop in your screen. So as you can see, there is nothing. So first of all, you have to press File and then create a new file. Create a new file. And then a blue screen will appear in your screen. So this blue screen will serve as your coding platform. So dito kayo magko-code. So uh, to code for printing Hello World. So first of all, you put include include iOS stream that h. Yeah. So include. So make sure that everything is in right spelling as code is super touch sensitive. So even meron ka lang maling nalagay na spelling or may nalagay kang maling symbol, the code wouldn't work as it is. So so this includes as a header file called iOS stream. As you can see, include iOS stream. So the iOS stream.h stands for input output stream header. So that H is stand for header. So this function right here, it allows the program to use input output objects like yung gagamitin natin mamaya, the cout, for printing the text to the screen. So without this IO stream, those functions will not be recognized by the compiler. So basically, sinasabi ng iOS stream to the compiler na I need you to use C++ input and output commands, which is yung cout and so on and so forth. So after that, we go to int main. And then double parentheses, open braces or bracket, and then closing braces and bracket. So actually pala, that H in modern compiler, such as yung Visual Studio, we don't actually use the .h na, but instead we use only iOS stream and then add namespace std. Ayun. So back to the topic and in int main. So this defines the main function, which is the starting point ng lahat ng C++ program. So when you run the program, the computer starts executing the code inside the main function. So every C++ program, dapat meron lang iisa or have one and only one main function. It tells the computer where to begin running instruction. So the keyword int means the function will return into integer value to the operation system. So usually, ito ay 0 means success. So, ayan, next is nag-open tayo ng curly brace. So this curly brace defines the body of the main function. Everything inside is a set of instruction that computer will execute. So, ang ilalagay natin dito, yung sinabi ko kanina, the cout. So, the cout, this will print the text. And then, less than. So, actually, this is not less than. Rather, this is a insertion operator. And then, we put the statement, hello world. And then, another quotation, and then we put semicolon. So semicolon, this means end the statement. Okay? Ayan. So, you end the statement. So, cout pala stands. So, ayun. So, it ends the statement. So, cout pala, it stands for character output. So, it sends the text, hello world, uh, to the standard output device. Yun yung computer screen or yung user viewpoint natin mamaya. And then, so this function will make your program display a message on your screen. So this is how the computer communicates with the user. So next then, we put the return 0, then semicolon. So return 0 semicolon. So this part, this statement ends the main function. So if we see a return 0 semicolon, this means you inend mo na or tinapos mo na yung function. So these statements end the main function and sends the value back to the operating system. The 0, as I said kanina, the 0 means that the program runs successfully with no error. Then after that, to make sure na walang mali sa program mo, you press compile and then compile. As you can see, warnings 0, error 0. That means that your program here is successfully run or walang mali or walang correction sa coding mo. And then you press any key. I press enter. And then you press run. F10. And then enter, run. You can use control 9 or if in manually F10 and then go to run. And then press enter. Ayan, in run. Then to see the output, you view Alt F5. Ayan. As you can see, we successfully print the hello world in the user viewpoint. And so let's take note that every code or every symbol here is key sensitive. That just one mistake can make all of this unfunction or execute unsuccessfully. So also make sure that your file is running or saved as a C++ file under CPP, which means C++, not C or not any file but C++, because it will open for an issue which is error directories. And that will be all. Thank you very much and good afternoon.